Okay, kids, the bus is here. Time for school. Here's your lunch. Take your lunch and get on the bus. Okay, go on, Cash. Go on the bus. Good boy. Okay, eat. Here you go, eat. You take your lunch. Mommy loves you. Okay, have a good day. Go on, love you. Go on. Cash, how many times did I tell you not to eat your lunch on the bus? And you be nice to your sister. Okay, kids, it's our last day of school. Time to give out our report cards. So, Cash, you did wonderful this year. You have passed. I am sorry to say, because of your behavioral issues, I cannot pass you, and you will have to go back to school.
Teacher thinks she's gonna fail me. I'll teach her. Eat her apple.